I learned that from him.
They'll start at the 33-yard line and 3.
It's open.
What do you want? Comment. Subscribe. You coming? Oh, what's poppin'? This Trim. I'm here back with another video. And today is long overdue, I know, but I'm gonna be giving y'all a room tour. Y'all just gonna see my room. And before we get that started, I got 3 names for y'all. The Trimsters, 6, or Trim Tribe. It's like Trimsters, that's what everybody be saying. 6, I got a vision, bro. Like, trust. And it's CYX, pronounced 6, like the number. And Trim Tribe, that shit like the tribe. To start off, we got my whiteboard. I wasn't gonna show y'all at first, but like I'm big on self-improvement, self-motivation, and stuff like that. Those split up into 4 levels in my routine. Max out all your badges. Reflect, goals, 6 running my brand that I'm starting. 10K on socials, great school year. 8 on YouTube by August. Yeah. That leads us to right here, my success. Like, yeah, y'all probably seen this before. Oh, but I used to hide money behind this. Y'all probably seen this, but it's just like hustle, focus, all that. Boom, that's that. And now, a part of this section, we got my basketball and football awards. We got I used to throw my medals away. I don't know why I did that, but like, yeah, we got all this, all the drip. I try to do color organization, but yeah, if y'all want a closet tour, the jeans down there. If y'all haven't watched the jean video, that's a watch for y'all. Y'all remember what I said about the champagne toast in my essentials video. She gon' your room smells so good. Next thing you know, you look back at her clothes off. That's how this works. I'm telling you. So I had to go 2 champagne toasts. My books. I used to be a nerd, like Diary of the Wimpy Kid. Read all of them. Mad candles, camera equipment, Bible, Telfar, earrings, jewelry, just a safe, stuff like that. So yeah, that's my closet area. See all these fits, it's what I'm gonna make reels out of. I gotta lock in. And section number 1 of my room. And my room is like, it's realistic, bro. If y'all be watching them OD big house rooms, my like a normal 16-year-old room. So yeah, that's that. And subscribe. Got shoes on the floor. I mean, in the cases. Need some more so I can have like a whole shoe wall. Yeah. Run up. If y'all run in my room, you will get dealt with. My gun hot. You hear me? Nigga, shut the fuck up. In this area, this is my bed where I sleep. Different all types of. This really my daily shoes, like my weekly shoe rotation. I have money rugs, basketball rugs, and y'all probably saw in the thumbnail all my rugs. But yeah, that bear, my girl got me that for Valentine's Day. My backpack is right here for school. Like me, like all that like hidden stuff. I'm expressing myself, like let me reveal. Y'all probably see that in my YouTube videos. First I used to be boring. I don't know how y'all watch me, but y'all did. Appreciate y'all. The vision board, all the stuff I want. Like I look at this every day and see next to it. So every morning I remind myself what I'm on track of, what I got to do to get to this point. And right here says 1 million subscribers. So, and above my bed right here, I have Kobe, big inspiration. I never thought, like, I'm sleeping under him. Like, now this area of my room is like the main part. I have, my subscriber count, 13 away from 1,000. My math is there. Got school laptop. Y'all saw that last video. 2Ks. I've been playing some like 2K9, bro. PS4. I don't play the game like that, so it's really no fun me getting a 5. But yeah, I play if I'm playing with my brothers or I'm watching YouTube and barely that. I'm trying to switch out my old habits for good habits, so I could get what I want on my vision board. Feel me? So Stanley, my girl match. At the bottom we got weights and stuff, 30 pounds, just mad workout stuff at the bottom. Yoga mat. Why did I pick this up? Let's see. I might need to get some 20s. At the top here, we got the Drip Harder album, Lil Baby and Gunna. Big album. One of the best albums. Wait. This album matches my room. This area, we do have a jersey from like middle school, a ring light for videos, reels, phone holder, mirror, little trim. Bear with me on this video because y'all saw my camera broke, so I can't see while I'm recording. So I'm hoping for the best. Fake plant, lip stuff, boom, essentials, cologne. My cologne is hidden. I don't need y'all smelling like me, still in my game. Just vitamins, soda, protein, stuff like that. And here, socks and underwear, sleeping shirts, more hygiene. Yeah, but that's the room. It's a cool normal room. Like, you feel me? It's calm, chill. What interests me, that's what I put in here. It came along with, but I feel like this time I'm gonna keep it till it's another room. College room, new house. Feel me? I hope this video turned out good because I don't know what I'm recording, so my fault. Wash your mask so I can replace the camera with a better camera, because yeah, I'm yapping, so I'm gonna let y'all go. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want next. I made a poll in my community, like, you don't gotta pay for it. You could go vote which name y'all want. I'm thinking 6. Whatever y'all want, I'm gonna change it to that because it's y'all. That's that. In the next video, y'all gonna know. I'm out.
Can't be gangsta, picking battles with every day be on with it. I was partying, I don't do, don't steal my Draco, got a kid back. Move aside, don't get back, hope keep rubbing with a switch. That bro drive, you know the crack, run, sit back, fit no